Well, a shortage of parts for farm implements could cause problems for farmers as harvest season approaches.
And KCAU-9's Nick Wilson talked to some parts providers to learn now how they're combating this dilemma.
Summer months are busy for implement dealers and mechanics as they get farmers ready for fall. But the ongoing equipment shortages have thrown a wrench into their plans. Farming equipment dealers are urging Siouxlanders to submit their orders as early as they can. With the harvest season right around the corner, implement dealers are trying to meet the demands of customers. AGRIVISION Equipment Regional Manager Mark KUHN said that the communication has helped him prep during this shortage.
Yeah, we definitely are pressing customers to get orders in and looking through inventory a lot harder, trying to get work orders and parts on work orders early because it has definitely been challenging to get stuff, and it has slowed things up.
Along with scarcity of parts, KUHN told me the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as labor shortages in factories that manufacture equipment, are also contributing to this dilemma as harvest season approaches.
You know, from our side and their side, it is difficult to find people, and COVID has got people nervous to come back to work, and everyone's need more labor than what we've got.
Implement dealers aren't the only ones facing obstacles. Mechanics are busy this summer trying to keep up with clients' repairs. Andy GIRRES, owner of Diesel Specialties, says he's been dealing with a parts shortage since last fall.
We've been busier than what we've ever been. So there's high demand and part supply is short, and our manufacturers are just way behind supplying those parts. That's definitely a factor, because when you start shutting down factories, you know, if they shut down a factory for a month, it seems like it takes them 3 months to catch back up. And then since demand's been high, it just has continued to escalate.
Workforce shortages and COVID-19 have also impacted his ability to get parts. As the harvest season gets closer, implement dealers and mechanics can only hope farmers will let them know sooner rather than later if they need new equipment. Nick Wilson, KCAU 9 News.